Hello guys, Hit on the Frog here, and welcome back to Fishing Life Part 2. Let's dive right into it. Also, if you haven't watched Part 1, I recommend you to watch it first before watching this. Yay. Dang. No. Come on, bitches, fight. It's the only time. Anger. Bro! Oh my god. This is annoying. You do it. Brace
There's a
yourself.
better alternative to TikTok, and it's called Flip. It's like TikTok, but without the BS. Flip pays you just for watching, and is home to...
Okay. No,
This is the best money saving
God.
app. I just earned a gift card from filling out surveys.
Surveys? Dude, I cashed out an Amazon gift card from playing games on my phone.
Wait, what? You're telling me you're getting gift cards by playing games on your phone?
Yeah.
So I don't have to fill out these surveys.
No, you can literally earn gift cards from playing games on your phone.
What kind of gift cards can you earn?
Amazon, Uber Eats, Walmart, the list goes on and on.
Does it really work?
Yeah, my Amazon package just got delivered today.
You're blowing my mind right now. How do I get on it?
Just download Misplay from the Google Play Store. All you need to do is play free games on the app to start earning. Misplay recommends you games based on your taste, and all you have to do is pick a new game, play it, and earn units. Then you can cash out those units for different gift cards that they offer in the shop. To be honest, I'm not usually a big fan of couponing or going the extra mile to save money, but earning gift cards this way is so much fun. You'll even get 200 units just for signing up. So if you like playing games and earning gift cards, then you need to download Misplay and start earning now.
Oh my god, this is taking forever. Okay. No. I already learned my lesson. No. Bro. Please, oh my god, you know, I'm gonna go another way. Fuck. Alright. God. God, give me a good fish. No. No. Please. Yo. No, you little bite here.
There's a better
Praise
alternative
yourself.
to TikTok, and it's called Flip. It's like TikTok, but without the BS. Flip pays you just for watching, and is home to
Wow, I can't believe this. Run. Yep, run. Any fish, run. Any fish. God. Go for it. You are worthless. Fat, dumb fish. Okay, you're small. I'm rich. I'm so rich. I'm so rich. I'm so rich. Oh my gosh. The richest man in town. Come on. Ooh. Yes. Dang it, not you! I don't got anything for you. I'm gonna get some for you. I'm getting that fish. What? Oh my god. No. 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 Yes. Okay. Oh yeah. Yeah. No. No. That's just risky. No, let's use that dumb fish. You. This would be a bait. It's getting annoying. Yeah, buddy, what, buddy? You're never gonna catch the whale. You'll never catch the whale. Sorry to say, but buddy, not sorry to leave with me, but you're never gonna catch the whale. Your boat was way too small. You're gonna never catch that fish. What? These fishes are retarded. rabbit. Not either. What's the fish? And there goes my bag.
There's a better alternative to TikTok, and it's called Flip. It's like TikTok, but without the BS. Flip pays you just for watching, and is home to viral.
Don't care. No, stop. Stop. Thing I hate about ads. Stop. 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 Good fish. We're rich. We're so rich. Bro. Guys, look at the sunset. No, not you, God. Alright, that'll be it for this video. K-Dog, please like and subscribe. K-Dog the Frog out.